So in this slide we are learning interface. So we will learn definition, implementation, and how we utilize interface by using extend keyword. So an interface in Java is a blueprint of a class. It has static, constant, and abstract method. It cannot be instantiated just like abstract class. So here the important point is interface is just like a blueprint for a class. Then it has static, constant, and abstract method. It means inside interface class we can keep variable, and that variable should be static and constant. Along with that we can keep abstract method in an interface. In interface we use some methods just like in abstract methods, abstract class. Now declaration of the class and interface. Suppose if you want to declare one class, so we have to write class name, and inside that we have to give the different, we have to declare different variables and declare as well as definition of method. Similarly, for declaration and initial definition of interface, we have to write interface keyword, then interface name, just like here class and class name. So you have to write interface and interface name, opening curly bracket. Then if you want to declare variables, then you have to write variables, but that variable should be static and constant. And if you want to declare methods, then type of method and method name with parameter. So this is the general syntax for declaration of interface. I repeat, how we declare interface in a Java: interface keyword, then interface name, opening curly bracket, inside it variable names and declaration of method. So in this way we write interface. Now this is one example. Interface fields are public, static, and final by default. This is very important line. Interface fields means inside interface whatever the variable you are declaring, that variable by default public, static, final. It is very important because this question may asked in an interview as well as in Viva. By default, variables in an interface are what type? So it should be of public, static, and final. Now look at here. Here I am declaring one interface printable, and inside this printable interface I am declaring one variable min, minimum, which type is integer, and initialize it with 5. Another method, one method print return data type is void. If you are writing interface in this manner, so by default compiler convert this interface into this code. What it is? Interface printable. The name of interface is printable, and inside this interface whatever the variable you declare minimum 5, that will convert it into public, static, final. These three words compiler will add before the declaration of variable. Here look at here, int minimum 5, this is written by you. By default compiler will keep public, static, final. Sir, what happen if I write okay, you can also write, then compiler will not put it. If you are not putting it, then by default compiler will put there public, static, final. So what it means? In interface variable which we are declaring, they are by default public, static, and final. Sir, what it means? Here public means this variable is accessible to everyone. Static means these variables are visible to everyone throughout the program. Final means this variable is constant. No one can change its value. In the same way, if you are declaring one method, that is print in interface, so compiler will keep it public, abstract, and the method. Means inside interface by default methods are public and abstract. Okay. So this is regarding with the interface. Now How can we utilize that interface? To utilize that interface, this diagram help you. From this diagram, it is clear that if you have one class and you want to utilize that class, then you have to use inheritance concept by using extend keyword. I repeat, if you have one class and that class you want to utilize in your program, so you have to inherit that class by using extend keyword. In short, I want to say that a class, a concrete class can be extended to another class which will fulfill the inheritance concept. Okay, for example, vehicle is one class and car is one class. So car is a vehicle. So all the properties which we have in vehicle class that we want to reutilize in our car class, so we can inherit it. How can we inherit it? By using extend keyword in a program. In the same manner, if we have interface and I want to use that interface in my class, for that I have to use keyword implement. So interface is a class which get implemented into your class. Okay, so this class is a child class which is implementing interface. So to utilize interface class, we have to use implement keyword. And here to utilize this concrete class into child class, we have to use extend keyword. So this is the word which we are using in a program. Okay, class A and class B. So class B extending class A. So you have to write class B extend class A. Similarly, if it is an interface A and class B, so you have to write class B implement interface A, like this. One important point is concentrate on the notation. Here, extend keyword shows a complete concrete arrow. Implement for interface shows a dotted arrow. So this is a notation for interface and this is a notation for class, because here this is a concrete class, this is also concrete class. Here this is the only declaration of methods and variable into the class. It is not complete class, and this class is a complete class because it has a definition and we want to utilize this. That's why we use this dotted notation for interface. So in interview they ask question, for implementing an interface which keyword we use. For implementing an interface which keyword we use. We use implement keyword. For inheriting a class into child class, which keyword we use? We use extend keyword. Now, if suppose I have one interface A, another interface B. Interface A have 5 methods. Interface B have different 5 methods. But I like to add the first 5 methods of interface A into interface B. For that, you have to use extend keyword. Means if one interface want to utilize another interface, then extend keyword is used. Example, suppose it is interface A, interface B. So you have to write interface B, extend interface A. We never use implement keyword here because interface is extendable, class is extendable, interface is implementable in a concrete class. This is very important slides. So I hope you understood this part.